Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to auto-generate invoice number and date in Excel, so your billing process becomes faster and easier. First, let's begin with the automatic invoice date. Click on the cell where you want the invoice date to show up. Now type equals today. Open parentheses and close parentheses into the cell and then hit enter. This cell will now always display the current date whenever you open the file. Open it tomorrow, and it updates automatically. Next, let's create a button to auto-generate the invoice number using a macro. Go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. Click on Shapes, then draw a shape anywhere on your sheet. It can be a rectangle. Inside that shape, type Next Invoice so you know what it's for. Now right-click the Sheet tab at the bottom and choose View Code from the options. In the code window that opens, type the command shown in the video description, or simply copy and paste it. Once you've added the code, close the code window. Now go back to the shape you created, right-click on it, and select Assign Macro. Choose the macro you just created from the list and click OK. That's it. Every time you click the Next Invoice button, the invoice number in cell F4 will increase by 1 automatically. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more useful tech tips like this one.